Hi guys, welcome to Math with Mrs. Motello in her kitchen classroom. So on my wall up here, you're going to see our touch number line. Mrs. Motello is not the best at coloring. It is not my favorite thing, so bear with me. And we're going to review our touch dots today, and then we're going to do a little bit of addition with touch dots. Okay, here we go. So here we have our 0. Do we count anything? Nope, there's nothing to count. So we move to number 1, and we're going to count 1. Here's number 2. We're going to count 2. Here we go. 1, 2. Next up is number 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Number 4. I hope you're counting with me at home. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when we get to 6, it's a little tricky. We have to count twice, remember? There's 2 different colors. Inside is the pink and outside is the blue. So count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Next up is number 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Here's number 8. Remember, count twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And our last number is number 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. I hope you were counting with me. Now, we're going to do some addition. All right? We're going to start over here. It's a little small, so I hope you can see it. Slide my computer down. So, using our touch numbers, we're going to do some basic addition, okay? Here we go. So, 1 plus 0. Say it with me. Here we go. 1 plus 0 equals, all right, let's count. 1, we're going to count one shape, and we're going to count our touch dot. 1. So, what's our answer? Our answer is 1. Good job. Okay, the next one. 2 plus 1 equals, all right, let's count our touch dots, and then we're going to count our little shapes on the side. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's see if we have the same amount. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. We do. What's our answer? Our answer is 3. Good job. I hope you're following along at home. All right, let's say the next one together. 3 plus 2 equals, all right, let's count our touch dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we get the same with our shapes. We have little suns here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what's our answer? 5. Good job. All right, here we go. Next one. Sorry, the screen keeps cutting off our numbers. There we go. Slide down a little bit. So our next one is 4 plus 3. Let's count our touch dots first. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So 4 plus 3. We have 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's count our hearts. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to make a 7. There it is. There's our 7. You ready? Okay, next one. 5 plus 4 equals, all right, let's count our touch dots. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9. Let's count our little stars. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 9 for our answer. Remember, make a circle, straight line down. There's our 9. Okay, here we go. This is for my big friends. Big friends, you should be able to do this. Here we go. 6, buddy, shh, Mommy, teach you. 6 plus 5 equals, here we go, let's count our touch dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see what our dots are. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what's our answer? 11. Good job. Here we go. The next one. 7 plus 6 equals, here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's our answer. All right, let's count our shapes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What's our answer? 13. Good job. A 1 and a 3. Put it together. All right, next up, 8 plus 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is our answer. Let's make sure we have the same in our shapes here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow. We are up to 15. A 1 and a 5 for my little friends. A 1 and a 5. All right, last one. 9 plus 8. Here we go. Get ready to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Whew, we're up there today, friends. All right, let's count our shapes. Make sure we got the same answer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 is our answer. There it is, a 1 and a 7. Okay, your practice at home. I want you to find some things that you can add together, be it 2 Lego toys and 3 cars, or 5 spoons and 3 knives. Make sure they're butter knives and they're not sharp, or use forks. But if you need any help, reach out to me during office hours, okay? I hope you have fun adding things up at home. See you soon.